If you haven't done meditation, it's time. Meditation can be 1 minute a day. It can be 10 to 15, 20 minutes. Some people have hours-long meditation practices, but it does not have to be that. It can be a mini taking stock, being cognizant of your body, attending to your breath. We have such a tendency to be out in the world and distracted by a million things and not living in the present. And so being able to come back to your body, take a deep breath. I heard a term recently of micro yoga, that people who are like, I know yoga is good for me. I should do yoga. I need to get to a yoga class, but can't make the hour-long time. If you are sitting in your chair about to go to a meeting and you can do a twist, 30 seconds, if you can do 10 seconds, it brings you back into your body and you're more present to be ready to deal with whatever your next thing is in your day.
Anything else aside from meditation? Because meditation is another one of those things. There's a lot of people, the people that do meditation, but you either are someone who tried it and didn't work, or you're someone who does meditation.
Well, and part of the reason people don't do meditation is because they try it and it doesn't work, because they think what I need to do is have a clear mind. And in fact, we have thoughts. We're supposed to have thoughts. That's okay. Having the imagery of a thought comes in, I welcome it, I dismiss it. Maybe it's a balloon or a bubble. I have a picture of a bubble. That thought or feeling or sensation is a bubble, and I pop it with a feather and it moves along. If that is a challenge for you, then doing a Reiki session, I say some people find it, if you've never heard of Reiki and you're like, what is this thing? It's a little bit like a fully clothed energy massage. And if that is interesting to you, then you can come in and your practitioner can either lay hands on with touch or hands off and be able to assess and balance the energy of your whole systems.
What's your perception on how energy acts within the nervous system in the way that Reiki moves it? What's the connection, if any, between the energy and the nervous system?
All of these things are connected. Your mind, your spiritual, your physical body, your energetic body, they're all connected. And we tend to think, well, I'm thinking this, but that's different from what my body experiences. I'm feeling this physical sensation, but that has nothing to do with what my mind is thinking. All of these things are disconnected from my emotions. In fact, they're all integrated.